Okay.
I'm going to take my second quarter exam at English literature.
Okay. What are the books?
Really Children and Otto of the Silver Hand.
Okay, let's first go to Otto of the Silver Hand because we're on the last 3 chapters. Okay, and we have finished the book already. Okay?
Okay.
Now, they traveled too far just to keep Otto safe, right? After he was saved by Baron Conrad and the people of Drachenhausen. So they traveled very, very far.
About 10
Can you please retell how Baron Conrad held the bridge? Can you please retell the story, the scene, how Baron Conrad held the bridge?
So, Baron Conrad said, Hans, thou hast served me long. Atayin pa ako sa door. Iyak ako dun sa ano. So, sinabi na nga ni Baron kay Hans, thou hast served me long, Hans, one-eyed Hans. Will you do my last favor for you? Yes, sir. Yes, sir, said Hans. Then, swear it, swear it. Hans said. Tapos, then Baron Conrad said, take my child and punta kayo sa Michaelsburg and keep him safe there while I fight this treacherous men. But how about you? Said the 6 faithful ones. I will be here, alone fighting till my last blood. Then one said, I will stay with you, master. Then Baron Conrad said, you dare to defy me? Gusto mo patayin kita na yun? Dapat i-follow mo ko. Tapos, pumunta na nga po sila doon. Tapos, medyo malapit na, halfway there to Michaelsburg na sila. Tapos yun na nga, nung nawala na sila, nasa Mount Paranhorse si Baron, narinig niya yung mga hoofs ng horse. Tapos pinipare niya na yung sword. Tapos si Baron Henry, kill him! Pero takot yung mga men nila, pero isa lang. Sabi ni Baron Conrad, are you scared of one man na lang? Isa na nga lang ako, scared ba kayo? Sabi ni Conrad, sabi naman ni Baron Henry with gnashed teeth, do not run away. Tapos yung horse, shoot isa sabi ni Baron, do not shoot the good horse. Magdi-dismount na ako sa horse. Sabi niya. Tapos yun na nga po. Nag-dismount na siya. Sabi ni Baron Henry, forward! Tapos, ballpen. Example lang po ito. Ito po si Baron Henry. Tapos sumunod na nga daw sila. Siya muna. Shoot niya sana siya sa tiyan. Pero nakaiwas siya. Tapos ginanon. To left. Tapos yun na nga. Ginawa niya rin yun. Ching. Tapos, itong guy, nasugatan niya siya. Ching! Pero, naka-jump siya. Tapos, good lang siya. ano siya, mas may sugat. Tapos, ito na, sila na, super dami na. Kasama na si Baron Henry. Ito pong pink. Sabi niya, forward! Tapos, meron long, parang banet. Nagganon sa kanya. Ching! Ay, hindi pa pala yun. Nag-fight sila. Ching, 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 ching. And it last 2 days. Ang dami na patay si Baron. Tapos nagpa-fight sila. Ching, 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 ching. May banet na nag-struck sa kanya. Ching! Nahulog siya sa stream. Tapos nag-away sila dun sa stream hanggang nahulog na sila. Pero hindi na nila alam. Tapos kung saan sila. Tapos nag-dream lang ni Otto habang malayong malayo na sila. Yung kiss ng father niya. Yun po.
Next. How do you feel for it? How do you feel for that scene?
Sad and yun po. Sad because Baron Conrad was kind and he cared for his son, only for his son, that he willing to sacrifice his life to save his son from those bad guys. Yun po.
What do you think could happen if the Baron didn't take Otto in the White Castle in the first place?
White Castle?
I mean, yeah, in St. Michaelsburg. Okay. What do you think could have happened if the Baron didn't take Otto from St. Michaelsburg in the first place?
If Baron Conrad did not take Otto from St. Michaelsburg, Otto would not cut his arm, and Conrad wouldn't die, and they could live happily ever after, like a fairy tale.
Okay.
But pag hindi yun nagranya, hindi rin mamimit ni Otto, love. Si Pauline.
Okay. So now that he was already in St. Michaelsburg, can you retell how did Otto grow up and how, like you said, he had the chance to be with the love of his life?
So, pwede tapatin mo yung electric fan. So, yun na nga po. Nung nakapunta na siya sa Michaelsburg, nangyayal siya, nagising siya. Are you really at St. Michaelsburg? Sabi ni Good Abbot, Old Abbot. Yes, where's my father? Sabi niya, he sacrificed for him. Ay, hindi, wala pala yun. Tapos nakita niya si Brother Theodore, Brother Andrew. Tapos yun po. Tapos as he grew up, strong na siya. Wala na siyang sick. Pumunta siya sa Emperor. Tapos sabi ni Abototo sabi ng Emperor, sino yung visitor ko na yun? Sabi niya, this is Otto, the son of Baron Conrad of Drachenhausen. Have you heard of him? Yes! Sabi ng Emperor. The Rodolphs, killed him and cutted Otto's arm and burned the fire. Tapos sabi ng Emperor, then I will then I will cage them penny by, tapos babayaran nila ako penny by penny, penny by penny. Tapos yun po. Tapos, and I will kill them one by one. Tapos sabi ni Otto, "Nay, my lord, please do not kill the mother and the daughter whom I promised to marry when we grow up." Sabi niya. Sabi ng emperor, "Ha ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Sure." Sabi niya, "I will spare thy life." Spare their life. Tapos yun na nga po. He grew up, pumunta na siya sa castle ni Pauline. Tapos nakita siya ni Pauline. Naging happy si Pauline. Tapos Otto took her arm and kissed her palm. Yun po.
Now, can you please tell me, what does this really mean? After reading the whole book, finishing the story, what does this really mean? That he was called Otto of the Silver Hand.
Because there was a Spanish word, a silver hand is better than an iron hand. Mas maganda daw yung kind-hearted kasa sa iron-hearted. Yung gusto mo siya patayin, cruel ka, yun po.
Nothing else? Next. Okay, let's go to Railway Children, okay? Can you please retell the story? How did the children save the train and the people in it?
So, when they worried that the train will go boosh. Naalala nila, the underwear or the petticoats they have was red. Tapos yun, hinubad nila. Tapos, nung papunta na nga po yung train, winave nila sa air. Tapos yun po, na-save yung train. Yun po yung story how they saved the train.
Okay. And they were given reward for that, right? What were the rewards given to them?
The rewards was giving to them a chain and a clock. Yun po.
And how did the children respond during the rewarding ceremony?
They said thank you, and then Perk said, "Go Peter, come on, tell a speech." Tapos pinush niya si Peter. Tapos sabi niya, sabi ni Peter, "Ladies and gentlemen." Tapos nahiya siya. Tapos inulit niya, "Ladies and gentlemen, thank you. Binigyan niyo kami. Gusto lang naman namin ma-save yung train. We did not want any awards. Pero thank you for the award. We are gladly happy."
Do you think they deserve it? Why or why?
Yes, they deserve it because they saved the train, and even then they became humble. Ayaw pa nila ng reward. Gusto na lang nila i-save yung train. That's called humbleness. Yun po.
Humility. Okay. Next. If you have done a good deed, like those railway children, will you be also waiting for something in return?
No.
Why not? Because
hindi naman sabi ni Lord, pag may ginawa kang good, sabihin mo sa kanila, ibalik, i-reward mo. Wala naman pong sinabi nun eh. Pati hindi ka na mag-ask for reward. Kasi para sa akin, yung reward ko na yung na-save ko yung train, yun po.
How did the mother feel for their children at that moment?
Huh? Fulfill?
Feel for her children at that moment.
She felt so happy and she cried because they were so courageous. They were so brave. That's why the chapter is called for valor. Valor means brave or courage.
Next, Bobby asked the help of the old gentleman, right? For something. For what and for whom?
For the Russian old man, gentleman. Yun po. Bobby asked the old gentleman, I knew he has a friend. Can we ask a favor for you? This old gentleman is a writer from Russia and he is very good. Nagsulat lang siya ng prisoner's detective. Nahuli agad siya. So his family flew here in England. Can you find them? Tapos isa po sabi niya, we want to even sell our clock and chain para may pamasahe yung old Russian gentleman. Yun po.
Okay. If asked, Adam, will you also do the same for a friend? Will you also do like what Bobby did?
Yes, as a close friend. And why? Because hindi naman, pag binayaan ko lang naman, kawawa naman siya. Hanapin niya pa yung sarili niya. That's why he needs help. Yun po.
Okay, next. After meeting the old gentleman, and sending them off, why do you think Mommy wouldn't let the old gentleman get in touch with the children anymore? What do you think she is afraid of?
There are many reasons of afraid of. Mamaya, ayaw ng mother dahil poor sila. Tapos mamaya na in love siya with him. Example yun, hindi po yun totoo. Tapos,
sabihin mo, ano yung totoong dahilan?
Because I think because her mother wants a private life.
Okay, last question. Can you please describe Perk's friendship with the 3 children?
The porter or Perks was very kind. He even taught them kung ano yung mga kinukuha niya, pang calls, tapos yung mga wire, tapos friendship nila, super happy. Tapos si Perks happy para sa children. Tapos nung kinausap na nila si Perks, sabi niya, oh, wow, you celebrate? Tapos sabi ni Phyllis, you don't celebrate birthday. Tapos funny mga usapan nila, yun po.
That's all. Thank you.